talking about exploring space and aliens. James' girlfriend has just seen a UFO. She's telling him about it.
James, look, a UFO in the sky.
Where? Oh, darling, you believe the moon is made of green cheese. It's just an ordinary plane.
No, I'm not talking about that plane. The UFO vanished into thin air.
Perhaps it was a shooting star. The TV mentioned a meteor shower tonight.
No way. I'm certain it was a UFO. I can distinguish between a shooting star and a UFO.
Have you ever witnessed a UFO before?
Yes, I've spotted them multiple times. Aliens are observing us, James.
Aliens? I'm skeptical about extraterrestrial beings. We are the only beings in the universe.
Oh, no, darling. The government knows the existence of aliens. They hide crucial information.
Scientifically, there's no solid evidence, Betty.
Then why is the government investing heaps in space exploration? They are seeking proof, James.
They're pouring money into futile ventures. Those funds could be utilized more productively.
Do you oppose to NASA's space exploration program?
Yes. It's no use spending millions of dollars traveling to the moon and to Mars.
Money isn't everything, James. It's time we explore the mysterious universe. I'd spend all my wealth on space travel.
Why didn't you enroll in the astronaut course?
I didn't meet their health requirements.
What a pity. If not, we would have had an excellent astronaut.
Oh, don't flatter me, James.